1. Huge market potential. Malaysia is one of the ASEAN member states. It has signed 12 free trade agreements with ASEAN countries and is a springboard for investors to expand into the 10 ASEAN countries. 2. Preferential tax policies. In Malaysia, economic policies have been implemented to encourage and actively attract foreign investment, and there are also various incentive policies for foreign investors. The incentive policies and preferential measures issued are mainly in the form of tax exemptions. Among these measures, direct tax incentives refer to partial or full exemptions of income tax within a certain period, while indirect tax incentives take the form of exemptions from import taxes, sales taxes, or domestic taxes. 3. Very loose foreign exchange control. Malaysia's stable financial environment and the substantial relaxation of foreign exchange control measures have also created a good environment for foreign investors. At the same time, when registering a company in Malaysia, enterprises can open bank accounts all over the world to facilitate international business transactions and payments. 1. Company name. Any name that has no duplicates can be used. It cannot be similar to some multinational company names, but it must end with SDN. BHD, where SDN.BHD means Private Limited Company. 2. Registered address, business secretary. Malaysian companies must provide a local registered address in Malaysia and a business secretary with a Malaysian residential address. Our company can provide. 3. Business scope. Malaysian companies can choose up to 3 business items. 4. Registered capital. The minimum registered capital of a Malaysian company starts from MYR1, and there is no upper limit to the maximum. 5. Financial year. The financial year of a Malaysian company can choose any period, but it is usually chosen as the end of the year or the half-year end, that is, December 31st or June 30th. The first financial year of a Malaysian company cannot exceed 18 months. 6. Company directors. The directors of a Malaysian company must be natural persons over 18 years old. The board of directors of a company can be composed of 2 or more directors. If a foreigner is to serve as a director, at least one local director must be included, unless the foreigner has a work permit or holds a second home permit. Our company can provide the above directors. 7. Shareholder qualifications. There are no restrictions on the composition of shareholders of a Malaysian company. Malaysia company registration process. 1. Fill in the registration application form. 2. Submit the pre-registered company name to the Malaysian Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority for approval, which usually takes 1 to 2 working days. 3. The pre-registered company name is approved. 4. Draft relevant signed documents based on the name. 5. Submit the signed documents to the Malaysian Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority and pay the registration fee. 6. Wait for approval, which usually takes 2 to 5 working days. 7. The Malaysian Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority officially approves the establishment of the company. After the company is established, Party B will provide Party A with a full set of company documents. Annual review of Malaysian companies. The first annual review of a Malaysian company can be arranged within 18 months, and then once a year. The annual review of a Malaysian company includes the company's annual return and the company's annual general meeting of shareholders. 1. Annual return form of Malaysian company. Copy of the company registration certificate of the Malaysian company, company articles of association, copy of information change documents, such as change of shareholders and directors, change of registered capital, change of company name, etc., identity documents of shareholders and directors of the company, etc. Submitted together to the Malaysian Company Registration Department for company annual information filing. 2. Company Annual General Meeting. After the minutes of the Annual General Meeting are signed by the shareholders, you can go to the company's registry to complete the formalities and submit a financial report for the fiscal year to the company's registry at the same time. Even if there is no operation, the Annual General Meeting report must be processed on time. Tax filing. 1. Annual Declaration and Accounting Tax Filing. Companies must submit annual reports to the government, update registration information, pay relevant government fees, and ensure the legality of the company. 2. If the company is not operating, it can conduct zero declaration and annual review. 3. If the company is operating, it needs annual company audit, accounting, year-end financial statements, and year-end tax declaration. The first annual audit and tax declaration is within 18 months of the company's establishment. Thereafter, the accounting audit will be conducted on the annual deadline. 2. The following documents are required for accounting by a Malaysian company. 1. Monthly bank statement. 2. Sales invoice, all sales invoices issued by the company. 3. Purchase invoice, all purchase invoices issued to the company. 4. Various cost expenditures, invoice, rent, travel expenses, exhibition expenses, office equipment, etc. 3. Accounting process. Provide accounting information. Malaysian accounting will do accounting based on the information and provide feedback on the rationality of the report. Malaysian auditors will review and sign. Customers will sign the information. Relevant information will be submitted to the Malaysian Tax Bureau. If you want to start your business in Malaysia, hurry up and contact us to register your Malaysian company. You can leave us a message directly below the video. If you like our video, I hope you will follow and subscribe, like and forward us.